In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the rear lights, both inner and outer, on a Leon Mk3. That's years 2013 to 2019, and this is a 5-door model. Tools you'll need for the job: a flat screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and an 8mm socket with ratchet. Open the boot, and this little flap here just pops out the way. You can just use a flat screwdriver or just your hand. And you can see this fitting here, the black one. Right down the bottom there's a slot for a flat screwdriver. Just put that in and undo it. And remove that out of the way. Now you'll notice the light's loose on the inside, but it's fixed here. There's 2 ball fittings there that pop into grommets in the body of the car. The light needs to come out sort of this way in an outer way, not towards the back of the car. So just push it out the way and just make a little bit of a gap there. And then using a trim tool, it's really good this because it's not going to mark the body of the car. And just get it in and work your way along. And you'll feel it just pop out. Just be gentle with it and do it very gradually. There you go. You feel it pop out. And you can see there the ball fittings on the back that go into the body there. There's just an electrical connector. Use your flat screwdriver. Just pop that in the little slot. Pop it out, you'll hear it click. And then it's gone. And that'll pull out. It's the outer light removed. To do the inner light, first pop this cover off. It just slides outwards towards the side and drops down. And then undo the electrical connector. There's just 2 tabs that you push in, one on each side, and that'll pop down. And then there's 3 nuts, they're all 8mm. There's one there, one just there, there's one here on the outside, just under that grommet there. So we'll do that one first. So just pry that off with your hands. When you're undoing this, careful not to drop it into the tailgate. There we go, that's one. And the next one there. And then the last one on the inside. Now the light will pop out. There's 2 small tabs you've got to push in just to release it. There's one there, you can see you just push that in and the light will go up, and then the other one is right on the inside, just up there on the inner skin. Just push that in and then pull the light out towards the top of the car. That's the inner light removed.